In the ever-evolving landscape of wearable technology, Zeblaze stands out as a prominent player in the realm of smartwatches. With a commitment to innovation, functionality, and style, Zeblaze has garnered recognition for its cutting-edge designs and advanced features. Among its impressive lineup, we present the top 5 Zeblaze smartwatches that exemplify the brand's dedication to blending technology seamlessly into everyday life. From fitness enthusiasts seeking comprehensive health tracking to fashion-forward individuals seeking a sleek accessory, Zeblaze offers a diverse range of smartwatches to cater to various preferences and lifestyles. Join us as we explore the best of Zeblaze's smartwatch offerings, showcasing the perfect fusion of form and function in wearable technology. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro Smartwatch. Powered by the Realtek 8763EW chip, this watch is a powerhouse, ensuring smooth performance every step of the way. Feast your eyes on the 1.43-inch Ultra HD AMOLED display, boasting a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, with an impressive 326 ppi and up to 1,000 nits of brightness. And with Corning Gorilla Glass protecting it, durability is unmatched. The GTR 3 Pro isn't just a pretty face. It's your ultimate fitness companion, equipped with a 3-axis accelerometer and 3-axis gyroscope sensor, ensuring accurate tracking of your every move. Keep your finger on the pulse of your health with the wrist heart rate monitor and pulse ox blood oxygen saturation monitor, providing real-time insights into your well-being. Stay connected seamlessly with Bluetooth 5.2, ensuring stable connections for calls and notifications. And with a battery capacity of 260 mAh, you're set for the long haul. Worried about downtime? Fear not. With rapid charging, just 1.5 hours gets you back in action. Plus, with battery-saving modes, enjoy up to 14 days of use. So, whether you're conquering your fitness goals or staying on top of your busy schedule, the Zeblaze GTR 3 Pro has you covered. Don't miss out on the future of smartwatches. Grab yours today. Pros: stylish design, long battery life, multiple health tracking features, built-in GPS, affordable price. Cons: no built-in microphone or speaker, accuracy of health tracking features, limited app selection, limited customer support. Number 4. Zeblaze Ares 3 Pro Smartwatch. The Ares 3 Pro boasts a stunning 1.43-inch Ultra HD AMOLED display with a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels and an impressive 326 ppi. That means vibrant visuals and crystal-clear details for an immersive experience. Plus, with up to 1,000 nit brightness and Corning Gorilla Glass, it's as tough as it is gorgeous. But the Ares 3 Pro isn't just a pretty face. It's a powerhouse of functionality. With over 100 workout modes and a water resistance rating of IP68, it's your perfect companion for any activity from running and cycling to combat sports and winter adventures. Now, let's talk about how the Ares 3 Pro becomes the ultimate personal assistant in your daily life. Imagine having a Fi sound quality for Bluetooth phone calls, offline voice assistance, and smart notifications all on your wrist. It's not just a smartwatch, it's your personalized lifestyle companion. Stay connected and in control, even when you're on the go. Answer calls, get instant notifications, and let the offline voice assistant handle tasks effortlessly. The Ares 3 Pro is not just a device, it's an extension of your style. Choose from a whopping 300+ watch faces and support always-on displays. And here's the cherry on top, you can even upload your own photos to the watch face, making it uniquely yours. Express yourself with boundless style, because your watch should be as unique as you are. And now, let's address the power question. The Ares 3 Pro is equipped with a robust 400 mAh li-pol battery, ensuring peak performance. With up to 30 days of battery life and the new battery saver mode, you can confidently tackle your day without worrying about running out of juice. Whether you're on a fitness journey or a busy day at work, the Ares 3 Pro has got you covered. Pros: durable design, long battery life, bright and clear display, multiple sports modes, health monitoring. Cons: no built-in GPS, lacks some advanced features, limited app support. Number 3. Zeblaze Vibe 7 Pro Smartwatch. Meet the Zeblaze Vibe 7 Pro, the absolute titan of toughness. This military smartwatch isn't just a watch, it's a companion for your wildest adventures. With 12 military-grade tests under its belt, this watch is ready to tackle any terrain, from humid rainforests to icy temperatures. Express your style with over 100+ watch faces that match your mood, outfit, and occasion. And guess what? You can even upload your own photos as the watch face. Now, that's personalization at its finest. Whether you're out for an early morning run or coming back from a late-night gym session, the 1.43 Ultra HD AMOLED display ensures crystal-clear visuals. And with a matching always-on display, you can keep an eye on the data that matters most. Plus, with a 3 ATM and IP69K waterproof rating, it's ready for any weather, rain, or shine. The Vibe 7 Pro introduces a new biometric sensor enhanced to 5 LEDs, collecting 36% more data. Paired with an upgraded heart rate tracking algorithm, this smartwatch minimizes signal interference during exercise, providing heart rate tracking that's almost as accurate as heart rate belt. Living a limitless lifestyle is easy with the Zeblaze Vibe 7 Pro. Check the weather, sync your mobile calendar, and receive instant message notifications all from your wrist. It's like having a personal assistant on the go. And here's the cherry on top: the battery power. The Vibe 7 Pro boasts an impressive 2-week battery life on a single charge. That's right, 2 weeks. Thanks to its large 400 mAh battery, this smartwatch is ready to keep up with your hustle. Pros: large, high-resolution AMOLED display, long battery life, durable design, built-in GPS, water-resistant, up to 3 ATM, affordable price. Cons: limited app selection, no built-in speaker or microphone, lesser-known brand. Number 2. Zeblaze Stratos 2 Smartwatch. You can plan the perfect adventure, track your routes, and explore any destination globally thanks to its accurate built-in GPS with access to all 4 global satellite systems. Adventure just got a whole lot smarter. The Zeblaze Stratos 2 is not just a smartwatch, it's your health companion. Its advanced biometric sensor tracks multiple health metrics simultaneously, providing you with accurate and efficient data to keep your fitness goals on track. The Stratos 2 lets you match your mood, outfit, and occasion with over 100 stylish watch faces. And the best part? They all come with a matching always-on display. Your wrist, your style. Navigating through your smartwatch has never been easier. The Zeblaze Stratos 2's intuitive operating system ensures you can easily find what you need, making your interactive experience smooth and effortless. Life's busy, but the Zeblaze Stratos 2 makes everything a breeze. Check the weather, sync your phone calendar, receive instant message notifications all from your wrist. It's like having a personal assistant right on your arm. A single charge on the Zeblaze Stratos 2 lasts up to an incredible 25 days. Thanks to cutting-edge technology, you can focus on your adventures without constantly worrying about your watch battery. The Stratos 2 is water-resistant up to 50 meters, making it perfect for daily wear and even swimming. It's not just a smartwatch, it's your reliable companion underwater. And the cherry on top, the Zeblaze Stratos 2 is seamlessly integrated with the InfoWear app, providing 24/7 health data management. Get insights into your health and exercise data, all while managing your smart devices effortlessly. Pros: affordable price, long battery life, built-in GPS, multiple sports modes, water-resistant. Cons: limited app selection, not compatible with all smartphones, display, build quality. Number 1. Zeblaze Stratos 3 Smartwatch. The Zeblaze Stratos 3 offers over 100 professional workout modes, adapting to your fitness journey seamlessly. Whether you're into traditional exercises or unique activities like archery or kite flying, this smartwatch smartly recognizes your activity for precise tracking. Detailed insights like GPS-based distance, pace, heart rate ranges, and calories burned are just the beginning. With IP68 water resistance, it's your robust partner for workouts. Fitness has never been this personalized. The Zeblaze Stratos 3 boasts a 1.43 Ultra HD AMOLED display, packing 466 pixels and a brightness of up to 1,000 nits. The brilliance on your wrist is unmatched, and with over 150+ watch faces to choose from, you can personalize your smartwatch to match your style. It's not just smart, it's stunning. Enhanced by assisted GPS, it guarantees fast fix times for efficient location tracking. It's the perfect companion for those who never stop exploring. The Zeblaze Stratos 3 is powered by a robust 400 mAh pole battery, offering an impressive standby time of up to 45 days in power-saving mode. Even in training mode, it stays active for up to 20 days, and with complete GPS and heart rate tracking, it sustains up to 84 hours. Convenience is key with its magnetic charging method, refueling in just 1.5 hours. Never miss a moment with the enduring Zeblaze Stratos 3 battery. From activity tracking to in-depth sleep quality monitoring, it even supports features like breathing exercises and menstrual cycle tracking. With the Zeblaze Stratos 3, wellness isn't just a goal. Now, let's talk about the ultimate personal assistant. The Zeblaze Stratos 3 keeps you connected with hi-fi quality Bluetooth phone calls and instant notifications. Whether it's controlling your music and camera, finding your phone, or staying punctual with GPS time sync, stopwatch, and timer functions, this smartwatch has got you covered. Pros: long battery life, built-in GPS, multiple sports modes, health monitoring, water-resistant, affordable. Cons: limited app selection. Not as accurate as some high-end smartwatches, can be bulky. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.